Yeah. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, Alan's Venture. Hope you all are doing great. So today, we are here in Delhi to explore the another beautiful place, which has become the most picnic place in Delhi, and it is Signature Bridge, as you can see behind me. So let's have a look over the history, why it was constructed, and actually the the curiosity is what I brought me here. It's about and it's about a tragedy, and in this video, we would try to have a look over the history, why it was constructed, and let's see and how much cost it takes, and we would describe the total expenditure and how much time, how long we will have to wait for this signature bridge. So it is Delhi's first signature bridge. To be honest, this is the Wazirabad old bridge. It was very narrow inside, and this is the old one, and this was the only way to cross the Yamuna river through this bridge, and it has been many years, and the people of Delhi are still using that. And school bus was passing from there. Once, I don't know what happened, maybe there was a tragedy. All at once, school bus that was carrying the children into that, at once it just fell into the river, and unfortunately lost at least 28 children's life.
At least 28 children were killed and 62 injured when an overcrowded school bus veered off a bridge and plugged into the Yamuna River on the outskirts of the Indian capital on Tuesday. The bus was carrying nearly twice its capacity with 112 children aged between 6 and 14, as well as a number of teachers. People living in herd on the riverbank jumped into the water and managed to save about 10 children, but rescue operations were delayed because a sluice gate under the bridge had to be closed. The Signature Bridge is one of the longest bridges in India, stretching over 675 meters and including a west side extension of 100 meters. The total length of the infrastructure project is approximately 6,000 meters. The Signature Bridge in India has become one of the most visited tourist places in Delhi. There are 4 lifts installed in leg of the bow-shaped pylon of the bridge. 2 lifts are inclined at the angle of 60 degrees and 2 at the 80 degrees. There are 4 elevators at the bridge with a total capacity of carrying 50 people that take people to the top. The bridge is being projected as India's first asymmetrical cable-stayed bridge, measuring 675 meters in length and 35.2 meters in width. This bridge spans the Yamuna River connecting East Delhi to Wazirabad. Tourists can even visit the top of the 154 meters high main pillar for breathtaking view of North Delhi. Honda Vishwavidyalaya metro station is the nearest station near Wazirabad Signature Bridge. From the cycle rickshaw or e-rickshaw, you can also take DTT bus number 108 to the Wazirabad crossing and down walk to Signature Bridge. The bridge was developed by the Delhi Tourism and Transport Development Corporation at a cost of over 1,518 crores. The plan to build new bridge over the Yamuna was initiated after a heartbreaking accident. A school bus passing over the older, much narrower Wazirabad bridge toppled over. The accident took place in 1997 and a project was finalized in 1998.
So let's have a look over the history. As I told you, that there was a prime reason, there was a tragedy that took place in Delhi. So that was the prime reason that the government had to, think. It was a very tense situation. So we are going to just reveal the tragedy that took place, and then you would come to know the reason why the government had to build this huge bridge over the Yamuna River. So basically, it takes at least 10 to 15 years to complete this huge construction, and it is situated over the Yamuna River. And basically, this signature bridge, this place has become the most busy picnic place in Delhi since then it was constructed, it was inaugurated. So here, what people do, usually people come here at night, not only at night, all the entire day you can see people will be there. They just spend their time with the river, and we can see some more beautiful views from here. So that's why people come here, they just celebrate their birthday. Here we have completed our this vlog, and hope you would love this. If you want to explore some more beautiful places like that in Delhi especially, so do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you can get the very first notification of our upcoming videos. And I want to see you all in my comment section. I want to work on my imperfection, how I'm working. You will have to suggest me the way how I'm going to shoot my vlogs. So that's why please comment my comment section and give your phenomenal feedback. Until then, bye bye, take care, have a wonderful day.